What the fuck?
We're going to have a date, right?
No! What the fuck?
One question. Joystick or touchpad?
Joystick, pare.
Ah, shit!
Panain, pakipana po.
Ito na mga pare. Hey, what is going on? This is Andre Cueto, and today we will find our partner for our Valentine's Day, man. Before that, kindly leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Help me reach 900 subs, 1,000 subs. I hope we're 900 now as I'm uploading this, but as of now, it's not. But yeah, let's try it.
Hi.
Hi.
You want kiss Momoy?
Yes, Daddy. I'm looking for a Valentine date.
Valentine?
Yes.
Yes, Myla.
Come on, let's do this, brother.
Yes, sabi ko na, Myla.
Sana all bakla.
Anong bakla? Lalaki ako, pare.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, te, may ID ka?
YouTube meron, ate. Hi.
Fanboy! Ah! Fanboy! Lalaki na. Ay, don't skip, don't skip. One question. Joystick or touchpad?
Joystick, pare.
Ah, shit!
Gaano pa akong Valentine's eh. Pwede ba kayo?
Don't skip!
Hello.
Pwede ba kita maging Valentine?
Oo. Ay.
Eh?
Hi! Puso ko!
Sige po. Boom!
Hello po.
Hi!
Streamer po kayo?
Yes!
Saan po kayo nakastream?
Sa YouTube.
Ano pong ano nyo? Channel?
Bago yun. Can you be my
Ano po?
Valentine?
Hindi po. May jowa po ko.
Ano ba yan? Bakit ka nandito? Ginagawa mo dito, pare?
Bakit? Wala naman ah. Wala naman masama nandito ah.
Paano masabi?
Ginagawa nyo dito, mga totoy. Pwede ba kita maging Valentine, ate? Spam pa nga. Hayop na yan. Can I be my Valentine?
Panain mo na, please.
Boom!
Let's go.
Let's go! Can you be my Valentine, pare?
Panahin mo na ako.
Sige lang, pare. Ito na. Oh. Boom.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hoy, panain mo nga ako. Eh.
Hey!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're
Bakla ka, tanga.
They ask you how you are, you just have to
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, wow.
Ano yung stream? Panain, pakipana po.
Ito na, mga pare. Boom!
Kamukha niyo po si ano?
Sino?
Ginagawa mo! Ginagawa mo!
Abangan kita sa Portin, ha?
Just the one. Hi.
Hi.
You. Beautiful lady for you.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh.
Can you be my Valentine?
Yeah, of course.
I'll wait for you on February 14, brother. Bastos ka, pare, ah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Bastos yung tropa mo, pare, eh.
Okay, di ba?
Pangit, bastos
Okay.
ugali, pare.
Well deserved. Well deserved.
Hello! Tay, patama. Dito. Tama mo dito lang. Dito. Sige, dito. Oo. Ate, balik lang kayo dito.
Wow! Hintayin kita sa 14 pare ha. Hi.
Okay, baril na ako. Dapat naman. Bye-bye.
What's your name?
Lilo.
Can you be my Valentine? I'll see you on 14, right? Anong ginagawa mo dito, Totoy?
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Yun, panay mo nga ako, te. Uy, bangis ah. Sa pa.
Wala na akong bala, pare.
Namamana si ate.
Hi.
Ay, ate! Ay, ang ganda mo ngayon!
Salamat, salamat.
Ginagawa mo!
Hintayin kita sa 14, pare.
Ano?
Hintayin kita sa 14.
Hello?
Hi. I'm looking for a date.
You are?
Yes. Can you be my Valentine?
I am very speechless right now.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
How about you?
Philippines. Are you good? I'm just gonna next and hope for the best.
Why?
Bye.
Why?
The
We're talking, bro. Why are you skipping me? I'm so disappointed, my brother.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
We're going to have a date, right?
No! What the fuck?
Shishe. Uy, Renzo.
Andre yung pangalan ko, pare.
Gagi, ganda mo, Andrea. Ganda mo, pare.
Wait lang, may transitions ako dito eh. Wait lang. Tayo nga ng tuwid.
Ah, pare.
Sabi ko na eh!